Do you like French fries? Yes, I like French fries. Is there usually a lot of salt in French fries? Yes, there is usually a lot of salt in French fries. Do French fries taste good without salt? No, French fries don't taste good without salt. How do French fries taste without salt? French fries taste bad without salt. Ask me the same question. How do French fries taste without salt? Unfortunately, with so much salt, it's really bad junk food. Are French fries junk food or healthy food? French fries are junk food. Do you often eat junk food at the movie theater? Yes, I often eat junk food at the movie theater. Do you drink soda with it? Yes, I drink soda with it. What do you usually drink with your junk food at the movie theater? I usually drink soda with my junk food at the movie theater. Does junk food usually taste good or bad? Junk food usually tastes good. How does junk food usually taste? Junk food usually tastes good. So why do many people eat junk food? Many people eat junk food because it tastes good. Alright, ask me the same question. Alright, why do many people eat junk food? So, why do many people eat junk food? Many people eat junk food because it tastes good. It's a very bad habit and a very difficult one to quit. Do you like to be hungry? No, I don't like to be hungry. When you are hungry, do you eat or do you drink? When I'm hungry, I eat. So, what do you do when you're hungry? When I'm hungry, I eat. Alright, ask me the same question. What do you do when you are hungry? Is there any food at this grocery store? Yes, there is some food at this grocery store. Is there a little food here? No, there isn't a little food here. Is there a lot of food here at this grocery store? Yes, there is a lot of food here at this grocery store. How much food is there at this grocery store? There is a lot of food at this grocery store. Ask me the same question. How much food is there at this grocery store? Do you usually come to work at 10 o'clock in the morning? No, I don't usually come to work at 10 o'clock in the morning. Do you usually come to work at 8 o'clock at night? No, I don't usually come to work at 8 o'clock at night. What time do you usually come to work in the morning? I usually come to work at 9 o'clock in the morning. Do you take a bus to work? No, I don't take a bus to work. Do you take a train to work? Yes, I take a train to work. How do you go to work? I take a train to work. Ask me the same question. How do you go to work? So, how do you go to work? I take a train to work. Do you usually leave for work at 4 a.m.? No, I don't usually leave for work at 4 a.m. What time do you usually leave for work? I usually leave for work at 8 a.m. Are streets empty of people at 4 a.m.? Yes, streets are empty of people at 4 a.m. Why? Because people usually sleep at 4 a.m. So, why are streets usually empty of people at 4 a.m.? Streets are usually empty of people at 4 a.m. because people usually sleep at 4 a.m. Good. Ask me the same question. Why are streets usually empty of people at 4 a.m.? Is there a lot of traffic at 4 a.m.? No, there isn't a lot of traffic at 4 a.m. Why not? Because people usually sleep at 4 a.m. Is it too late for you to leave for work at 10 a.m.? Yes, it's too late for me to leave for work at 10 a.m. If your work starts at 9, you have to leave at 8. Otherwise, you'll be late for work. Do you have a fridge? Yes, I have a fridge. How many fridges do you have? I have one fridge. Okay, wanna ask me the same question. How many fridges do you have? Do you like your fridge? Yes, I like my fridge. Is your fridge light? No, my fridge isn't light. Is your fridge heavy? Yes, my fridge is heavy. Is there any food in your fridge? Yes, there is some food in my fridge. Is there a little food in your fridge now? No, there isn't a little food in my fridge now. Is there a lot of food in your fridge now? Yes, there is a lot of food in my fridge now. How much food is there in your fridge now? There is a lot of food in my fridge now. Ask me the same question. How much food is there in your fridge now? Is the food in your fridge cold or hot? The food in my fridge is cold. Do you like to eat cold food from the fridge? No, I don't like to eat cold food from the fridge. Do you always have some food in your fridge? No, I don't always have some food in my fridge. Do you sleep in the kitchen? No, I don't sleep in the kitchen. Are there any beds in your kitchen? No, there aren't any beds in my kitchen. Do you sleep in the living room? No, I don't sleep in the living room. Do you have a living room? Yes, I have a living room. Do you have a bathroom? Yes, I have a bathroom. How many bathrooms do you have? I have one bathroom. Ask me the same question. Okay, how many bathrooms do you have? Do you sleep in the bathroom? No, I don't sleep in the bathroom. Do you want to sleep in the bathroom? No, I don't want to sleep in the bathroom. Are there any beds in your bathroom? No, there aren't any beds in my bathroom. Do you sleep in your bedroom? Yes, I sleep in my bedroom. Do you sleep on the floor or in your bed? I sleep in my bed. How many beds are there in your bedroom? There is one bed in my bedroom. Okay, ask me the same question. How many beds are there in your bedroom? Do you usually go to bed early? No, I don't usually go to bed early. Do you usually go to bed late? Yes, I usually go to bed late. What time do you usually go to bed? I usually go to bed at 12 o'clock midnight. Ask me the same question. What time do you usually go to bed? So, what time do you usually get up in the morning? I usually get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Are you sometimes late for work? Yes, I am sometimes late for work. Do you like to be late for work? No, I don't like to be late for work. Are you happy when you are late for work? No, I'm not happy when I'm late for work. Ask me if I am. Are you happy when you are late for work? Do you usually have light dinner or heavy dinner? I usually have light dinner. Is it healthy to eat a lot of heavy food before you go to sleep? No. It's not healthy to eat a lot of heavy food before I go to sleep. Is it very bad for you to eat a lot of heavy food before you go to sleep? Yes, it's very bad for me to eat a lot of heavy food before I go to sleep. Do you always get up happy in the morning? No, I don't always get up happy in the morning. Is it rush hour now? Yes, it is rush hour now. What time is it? It is 8 o'clock in the morning. Repeat my question, please. What time is it? So, do you often take a train during rush hour? Yes. I often take a train during rush hour. Do you like to take a train during rush hour? No, I don't like to take a train during rush hour. I see. Repeat my question, please. Do you like to take a train during rush hour? Okay, good. So, do you like to take a train during rush hour? No, I don't like to take a train during rush hour. Is this train empty of people? No, this train isn't empty of people. Are there a few people on this train? No. There aren't a few people on this train. Are there a lot of people on this train? Yes, there are a lot of people on this train. Repeat my question, please. Are there a lot of people on this train? Is this train full of people? Yes, this train is full of people. How many people are there on this train? There are a lot of people on this train. Ask me the same question. How many people are there on this train? Good. So, how many people are there on this train? There are a lot of people on this train. Are you happy to be on this train now? No, I am not happy to be on this train now. Why not? Because there are a lot of people here. So why aren't you happy to be on this train now? I'm not happy to be on this train now, because there are a lot of people here. Repeat my question, please. Why aren't you happy to be on this train now? So why aren't you happy to be on this train now? I'm not happy to be on this train now, because there are a lot of people here. Now let's learn a new tense. Present progressive. I told you some time ago that there are several present tenses in English. Present progressive is the tense we use with actions that are happening right now, at the moment of speaking. Let's look at this example. This is John. He eats cereal and drinks 1 cup of coffee for breakfast. But that's what he usually does, not now. Right now, he is eating a sandwich. Repeat. He is eating a sandwich. Let's look closer. We have is after he, and the verb with ing ending. Eating. Let's look at another example. This is Judy. She usually takes a bus to work, but not today. Now she's taking a train. Let's take a closer look. She, followed by is, plus our verb with ing ending. I am driving a car. If you see am, is, or are plus a verb with ing ending, it means our action is taking place at the moment of speaking, not on a regular basis, not every day or several times a week, at the moment when we talk about it. In questions, is, are, and am go before the subject instead of after it. The rest of the sentence remains the same. Statement: he is eating cereal. Question: is he eating cereal? What is he eating? Statement: I am driving a car. Question: am I driving a car? What car am I driving? Where am I driving a car? And to make a negative sentence, we just add not after is, am, and are. I am not taking the subway. She isn't eating a sandwich. We aren't working. A lot of people get confused by the difference between the words this and that, and these and those. So let me break it down for you. We use this when we point at an object that is near. We use that when we point at an object which is further away. The same with these and those. We use these when we point at several objects which are near, and those for objects that are further away. I know, you might ask,
but how do we measure this distance? How do I know where near turns into far?
Well, there is no strict rule here. It's all up to you. Very often, this and that are used interchangeably, as well as these and those. That's about it. Now let's practice. Black, black. White, white. Blue, blue. Yellow, yellow. Green, green. Red, red. Brown, brown. Bread, bread. A slice of bread. A slice of bread. Cheese, cheese. A slice of cheese. A slice of cheese. Butter, butter. Color, color. What color is cheese? What color is cheese? What color is this car? What color is this car? A sandwich. A sandwich. To hold. To hold. A hand. A hand. That. That. Those. Those. Great! Let's do it again. Black. Black. White. White. Blue. Blue. Yellow. Yellow. Green. Green. Red. Red. Brown. Brown. Bread. Bread. A slice of bread. A slice of bread. Cheese. Cheese. A slice of cheese. A slice of cheese. Butter. Butter. Color. Color. What color is cheese? What color is cheese? What color is this car? What color is this car? A sandwich. A sandwich. To hold. To hold. A hand. A hand. That. That. Those. Those. Is that a sandwich in your hand? Yes, that's a sandwich in my hand. Are you holding a sandwich in your hand? Yes, I'm holding a sandwich in my hand. What are you holding in your hand? I am holding a sandwich in my hand. Why? Because I want to eat it. So, why are you holding that sandwich in your hand? I'm holding this sandwich in my hand because I want to eat it. Is there any cheese in that sandwich? Yes, there is some cheese in this sandwich. How many slices of cheese are there in that sandwich? There are 2 slices of cheese in this sandwich. Do you think this sandwich is gross? No, I don't think this sandwich is gross. Do you think this sandwich is tasty? Oh, yes. I think this sandwich is tasty. Do you like to eat a sandwich with no cheese in it? No. I don't like to eat a sandwich with no cheese in it. Do you like to eat a sandwich with 5 slices of cheese in it? Yes. I like to eat a sandwich with 5 slices of cheese in it. So, how do you like your sandwich? With a lot of cheese in it or with a little cheese in it? I like my sandwich with a lot of cheese in it. Is your sandwich black? No. My sandwich isn't black. Is your sandwich green? No, my sandwich isn't green. Is your sandwich blue? No, my sandwich isn't blue. Is your sandwich yellow? Yes, my sandwich is yellow. So, what color is your sandwich? My sandwich is yellow. Is there some butter and some cheese in your sandwich? Yes, there is some butter and some cheese in my sandwich. Is there any meat in your sandwich? No, there isn't any meat in my sandwich. So, what's in your sandwich? There is some butter and some cheese in my sandwich. Again, what's in your sandwich? There is some butter and some cheese in my sandwich. How many sandwiches do you eat for lunch? I eat 1 sandwich for lunch. Do you usually have room for dessert after a big sandwich? Oh, yes. I usually have room for dessert after a big sandwich. Is a big sandwich a light breakfast? No, a big sandwich isn't a light breakfast. Is a big sandwich a heavy breakfast? Oh, yes. A big sandwich is a heavy breakfast. Is your stomach full now? No, my stomach isn't full now. Is your stomach empty now? Oh, yes, my stomach is empty now. Do you always eat before work? Yes, I always eat before work. Do you like to work on an empty stomach? No, I don't like to work on an empty stomach. Alright, ask me the same question. Do you like to work on an empty stomach? So, why are you eating that sandwich? I'm eating this sandwich because I don't like to work on an empty stomach. Ask me the same question. Why are you eating that sandwich? Are you going home now? No, I'm not going home now. Are you going to the restaurant? No, I'm not going to the restaurant. Are you going to the grocery store? Oh no, I'm not going to the grocery store. Are you going to work? Yes, I'm going to work. So where are you going? I am going to work. What time is it? It's 7:30 in the morning. What time do you usually leave home in the morning?
The next station is College Station.
I usually leave home at 7:10 a.m. Okay, ask me the same question. What time do you usually leave home in the morning? Are you taking a bus?
Arriving at College Station.
No, I'm not taking a bus. Are you taking a train? Yes, I'm taking a train. So, how are you going to work?
Please stand clear of the doors.
I am taking a train to work. Right. Ask me the same question.
The next station is
How are you going to work? So, how are you going to work? I'm taking a train to work. Am I taking a train with you? Yes, you are taking a train with me. Am I holding a cup of coffee in my hand? No, you aren't holding a cup of coffee in your hand. Am I holding a piece of cake in my hand? No, you aren't holding a piece of cake in your hand.
Please stand
What are you holding in your hand? I'm holding a cup of coffee in my hand. All right, ask me the same question.
commute station.
What are you holding in your hand? All right, so what are you holding in your hand? I am holding a cup of coffee in my hand. So, are you thirsty? Yes, I'm thirsty. Are you drinking water? No, I'm not drinking water. Are you drinking green tea?
Please stand clear of the doors.
No, I'm not drinking green tea. Are you drinking black tea?
The next station is King.
No, I'm not drinking black tea. Are you drinking coffee with milk and sugar? No, I'm not drinking coffee with milk and sugar. Ah, are you drinking black coffee? Yes, I'm drinking black coffee. What color is your coffee? My coffee is black. How do you like your coffee? Black or with milk? I like my coffee black. I see. Let's try one more time. How do you like your coffee? Black or with milk?
Union Station.
I like my coffee black. Do you usually drink coffee when you're hungry? No, I don't usually drink coffee when I'm hungry. Do you usually drink coffee when you are thirsty?
Union Station.
No, I don't usually drink coffee when I'm thirsty. Do you usually drink coffee when you want to sleep? Yes, I usually drink coffee when I want to sleep. So, when do you usually drink coffee?
Please stand clear of the doors.
I usually drink coffee when I want to sleep. Ask me the same question.
The next station is St. Andrew. St. Andrew Station.
When do you usually drink coffee?